Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be making a makeup tutorial for this video, and I want to give a shout out to this great product. It's not sponsored by any means, but I saw it on Pinterest. I will link the pin that I saw this at. But this is the Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade Toner. I read the back and it says that they were the first ones, the first acne toner, designed to reduce breakouts in just hours, plus fade the look of post-acne. It just has a lot of good things, states a lot of good things, and it's really good. Like right now I think I only have this one. I wanted to mention that because what you have under your skin before you put on your foundation is very important. I hear it all the time, and it's true. If you're breaking out like really bad, try to avoid like heavy makeup such as foundation or, you know, cream contour and stuff. But let's get back to the video. For primer, I will be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. For foundation, I will be using the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. 1, 2, 3.5 pumps. For concealer, I will be using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic and the shade CW04. And now we'll be moving on to eyeshadow. So I will be using an eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be using the Essence I Love Stage Eyeshadow Base. And buffing it out with my beauty sponge. The palette for today's video will be the Editor palette by Ciate London, the one I unboxed yesterday in my BoxyCharm Premium video. Now we'll be using an eyeliner from LA Girl, the Perfect Precision Eyeliner in the shade Very Black. And now we're ready to move on to mascara. Now that my mascara is done, I will move on to a bit of the bronzer portion of my makeup and blush, highlight, and finish off with the lips. Fix Plus. And highlight. Just dip the lip liner brush here. And then I go over with the lipstick. So here's the completed look. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you like this look as well. If you did like this look, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.